We got cheese, we got pastry. Let's go. Hey super foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Angeli. My name's Angeli and I'm a pharmacy grad with a love for food. Today we're going to be making my favourite snack, cheese straws. Me and my brother loved making these when we were growing up, especially at Christmas time when we had leftover pastry. We'd get really creative making new shapes out of the pastry. This is a super quick and extremely easy recipe to make, so let's just get started. So first, allow the pastry to come to room temperature, then preheat the oven to 180 degrees C. We've got our pastry here. So I'm going to cut it in 2 halves, straight down the middle, very, very lightly. You might want to do this on a chopping board. And split it into 2 pieces, and I'm just going to cut down the middle of the parchment paper. Now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on top, and I'm just going to spread that all over the pastry. I don't have a pastry brush, so I'm in actual fact going to use my hands. And they work well when you don't have a pastry brush. Just very, very lightly, trying not to push too hard onto the pastry. There we go. Here we've got a mix of chili flakes, ground black pepper and garlic salt, which we'll sprinkle onto the pastry as evenly as possible. Just add according to taste. I've got some cheddar cheese which I grated earlier, and we're going to sprinkle it as evenly as possible on the pastry. I'm actually going to make one batch using cheddar and another using grano padano cheese, and we'll compare the two at the end. I'm just going to cut these into strips. Now I'm just going to go ahead and start making lots of designs with them. This is actually my favourite part. So you want it to be quite tight. And yes, some of the cheese will drop off in between, that's completely fine. Now I'm just going to make a twist. And I think I'll leave these ones as straws. So what I actually like to do is I like to leave them as straws, cut it straight down the middle and have lots and lots of little straws because it lasts a lot longer. Just going to cut these in half so they'll stay on the baking paper. So you want to keep a bit of distance between them. So these are ready to go in the oven. I'm going to put them in for about 10 minutes at 180 degrees. So our timer's just gone off and I'm going to take them out of the oven. These have come out so nice. They are super puffy, they are super crispy, and all the cheese is cooked on the top, as you can see from there. We just need to let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. So on this side, I've got the grano padano cheese straws, and on this side, I've got the cheddar cheese ones. Let's give them both the taste and compare the difference between them. Those ones are really good. Those ones are super cheesy because the cheese is a lot thicker. These ones are cheesy, but you can taste more of the seasoning. And in actual fact, these are a lot easier to work with because the cheese is finer, so you can make better shapes with them. So what I would do going forward is I would make shapes out of these ones moving forward, and if I wanted cheese straws, just cheese as cheesy as they can be, and to be super crunchy and super cheesy, I would use cheddar cheese and I would just make cheese straws out of them. But overall, they are super crunchy, super cheesy, and super yummy and super quick to make. So if you guys enjoyed making these cheesy treats with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. We did it.